No, I didn't press it. I pressed pause in it by accident and then save it. Alright, mileage is
100,803.
yeah, something like that. And I have done 15,000 miles just to clear the smoke. There was quite a lot of smoke on the exhaust, so I think it cleared it out as much as possible. Alright, it doesn't stink. Rev it normally, just normal. Then pop. Go on. It's more better than before. I've went for a good run, 15,000 on the clock. 15 miles. Alright. Engine is running good. No oil leak. Last year changed the rocker seal. Fans are spinning. Alright. That's it really. Can't really just say anything else.